Experiencing microphone problems with your ASUS monitor? Common issues affect ProArt, Tough Gaming, and ROG series monitors, often due to USB connectivity or app permissions. Let's quickly fix this. First, check your USB connection. ASUS monitors use USB ports for audio devices. Look at the back panel and ensure cables are securely plugged in. Second, enable microphone permissions. In Windows, go to Settings, Privacy and Security Microphone and allow access. On macOS, check System Preferences, Security and Privacy Microphone. For quick fixes, unplug and replug USB cables, update drivers through ASUS software, enable microphone access in your apps, and restart your devices. These steps resolve most issues efficiently. ASUS monitors use USB connections for audio input and output, including microphone functionality. If your microphone isn't detected, the problem usually originates from the USB connection itself. Start with the basics. Ensure the USB cable connecting your monitor is securely plugged in at both ends. Check for any visible damage, bent pins, or loose connections that might prevent proper data transfer. If the cable seems fine, try plugging into a different USB port. Ports can fail due to power issues or physical damage. Test both your computer's USB ports and any ports on the monitor itself if available. Open Windows Device Manager to check for USB-related issues. Look under Universal Serial Bus Controllers for your ASUS monitor. Yellow exclamation marks indicate driver problems that need attention. Right-click any problematic devices and try updating the drivers. Finally, try power cycling your ASUS monitor. Unplug it from the power source, wait about 30 seconds to clear any temporary issues, then plug it back in and reconnect the USB cable. This can resolve detection problems caused by electrical glitches. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a frequent cause of microphone issues in ASUS monitors. Update your audio drivers via Windows Update, or preferably directly from the ASUS support website for your specific monitor model, such as the ProArt PA329C. Look for Realtek or Connexent drivers related to audio. ASUS's Armoury Crate app can often automate this process. Windows privacy settings might be blocking app access to your microphone. To fix this, navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Microphone. First, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone. This is where you control microphone permissions. Ensure the microphone access setting is toggled on. This allows apps to access the microphone in general. Then scroll down and enable access for the specific apps you're using, such as Discord, Teams, or OBS Studio. A common issue is the microphone appearing grayed out in apps. Correcting these permissions often resolves that problem. Many newer ASUS monitors include Audio Optimizer software. This tool auto-detects and configures audio devices, potentially resolving conflicts automatically. Check if your monitor supports this feature and give it a try through the Armoury Crate application. Its automatic configuration could save you manual troubleshooting. Windows USB Selective Suspend feature can sometimes interfere with microphone functionality on ASUS monitors. To disable it, navigate through Power Options to the USB Selective Suspend setting. Set the USB Selective Suspend setting to Disabled. This is what the settings screen looks like. This prevents Windows from cutting power to the USB port when it thinks it's idle. If your ASUS monitor has a built-in microphone, ensure the monitor's firmware is up to date. Check the ASUS support website for firmware updates specifically for your monitor model. Firmware updates can fix encoding bugs that affect microphone performance. Follow ASUS's instructions carefully when updating firmware. If the previous steps haven't resolved your ASUS monitor microphone issues, here are some advanced troubleshooting options and when to seek professional support. First, try resetting your monitor to factory settings through the on-screen display menu. Access the OSD by pressing the menu button on your monitor, navigate to the Reset or Factory Settings option, and confirm the reset. As a last resort, contact ASUS support. Visit their website or use the support app to submit a ticket. Be prepared with your monitor's model number and a detailed description of the problem, including steps you've already tried. Remember that hardware replacements are uncommon for these issues, as most microphone problems stem from software or configuration errors. Also, check ASUS community forums for user-shared solutions before reaching out to official support. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps should help resolve your ASUS monitor microphone problems. Most issues are software related and can be fixed without hardware replacement.